Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to work on IOD rose botanical transfers, and I'm so excited to show this to you today. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this I just took one of this wooden tray from Dollar Tree plus section, and this is for $3 like you saw, and I'm going to paint this with this apple barrel white acrylic paint, and I gave like 2 good coats, and I'm going to show the intermediary result like this one. And I'm just painting the borders now, and I'm going to let it dry. After it's dried, I just took one of this beautiful yellow bright rose botanical transfer, and this is something so beautiful and it's summer themed. So I'm just going to take this and transfer, and for some reason I lost the footage of it, and also I actually gave one coating of a sealant, and that also kind of disturbed the image a little bit. So I learned my lesson now. So I'm just doing right now is I'm taking a little bit of this golden paint metallic, and I'm just going to give like nice golden borders all around to get nice royal vintage look to it. And yeah, this is how it looks after I just painted all over the borders. Now I just took this dotting tool, and I'm dipping the same golden metallic paint, and I'm placing dots all around it, and I also gave like a nice border to it so the design looks a little brighter. And to cover the mistake of the clear spray sealant that I did, which I should not. And yeah, this is the final result of this tray, and I love this how this turned out. And yeah, please let me know your thoughts. This video would be part of IOD collab, and CJ from CJ DIY brought all of us together into this beautiful collab. So these are all like 8 ladies, all of us together on the 8th day of 8th month of the year. So isn't that cute? So please watch all of our videos for the great creations from all these creative ladies, and I'm going to link their crafting channels in my description box, as well as link to the playlist. So please watch all of our videos and comment on all of our videos to get entered into a giveaway. We are going to pick 2 winners on August 17th, and they will be announced on 18th, and who are the winners we are going to put in our community tabs. Only US residents please, and so please watch all of our videos again and enjoy. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this I'm going to take one of this smaller tray. This is also from Dollar Tree, and I just spray painted with golden paint. In the center I'm going to paint with this apple barrel white acrylic paint. I gave like nice 2 coats, and I'm carefully painting the center part. I could have used the painter's tape, but I challenged myself to do this, and yeah, I carefully painted the center. I can see some of them bleeded out. I'm going to correct that with the golden paint later. And this is the transfer that I'm going to use. Again, I lost the footage, and because I did those 2 together in one video, and that got missed out. Now I'm just correcting the golden paint to the border where the white paint bleeded out. So I'm just correcting it by filling in there. Now this is what it looks right now, but I wanted to give a little bit of a golden touch to the borders. So here I'm just taking some of this golden paint, and I'm drawing rosebuds on all the corners, and this is how it looks. And I also took this dotting tool, and I'm doing the same thing that I did for the other tray. I wanted to match both of them, so I'm just using this dotting tool and taking this golden paint, and I'm just carefully applying strategically around this white surface. And I absolutely love this gold and white together, and yeah, this is how it looks so far. Isn't this pretty? I just love roses, and these botanical prints are awesome, and I just love how this whole tray turned out. and I hope you would like it too. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this, I just got one of this beautiful picture frame. This has got like beautiful curve to it, and it also reminds me of a vintage look to it. And I just got one of this summer themed one also from IODs, and I'm just going to use one of the roses. Since the footage got lost, I thought like I should show how I did. So I'm just going to take one of this rose prints, and I'm going to do it on the picture frame on the glass side. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm just going to show which one I'm going to pick. This is the one I chose, and it's exactly fitting the picture frame. So I'm going to cut this down, and I'm going to transfer that onto this picture frame in just a second. So this time I will be very careful not to spray anything and disturb the image. So I'm just learning a little by little every day. This is my first time trying out IOD, you guys, so yeah, please excuse me if I do any mistakes. I'm also learning from my mistakes. So I just took one of this white printout paper, and I'm just measuring according to this back part of the picture frame, and I'm going to cut down. And this would be our background, so the image shows clearly. So I'm going to put that in there, and going to seal, actually pack the picture frame back to it, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to arrange this picture frame, and I'm taking some of this Windex cleaner on this glass surface, and after it gets cleaned up, I'm going to attach this transfer on top of it. So I'm just finding the right spot where those letters and the flowers, everything shows well. And this is a very important step. Like if it got stuck, then I have to stick with the design in a crooked way. So I just took my sweet time to find the right spot, and using this tool that comes with this transfer, I'm just carefully brushing it down. So this is how it looks so far, and this is the final reveal. Isn't this pretty? I just love how this turned out. Isn't that beautiful? The whole neat design transfer over there. Now to the golden part. Now we have white, so white and gold is a theme. So today I'm just taking the same metallic gold paint, and I'm going to carefully draw the borders, which already has a nice indentations on it. So I'm just going to draw the outer border carefully, and also the inner borders. So I'm just going to take my time off the camera, and I'm going to draw and show how this turned out in just a second. So this is how it looks after the outer border is drawn. Now I'm taking time to do the inner one, and after those two border golden lines, the picture is in at a different level, you guys. I just love how this turned out, and I've decorated this with some of this bright yellow roses in one corner, and this is one of the cutest, I would say, like royally looking vintage picture frame, and I hope you would also see it that way. So I absolutely love this one, guys. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to connect with me on social media, these are some of the handles you could use. And this is the final reveal of all the DIYs today, you guys. And these are all IOD Rose Botanical Transfer DIY today. And I just chose one part of their IOD products, and I absolutely love them. They turned out great. And I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you like some of these ideas and you would like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. Until next time, if you like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. I'm going to let you enjoy the final reveal. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.